The American University in Cairo campus is considered a state of art, and one of its iconic features is the Bassily Auditorium with its memorial collage paintings of the 25th of January Revolution. What's most interesting about those paintings is that they consist of small various pictures of the real events that took place during that period of the revolution. Today that we are in 2022, 11 years post the revolution, we wondered how different generations of the AUC would reflect on such representation of history that is also part of their campus. During the revolution 2011, how old were you?
I was 11.
I was 7 years old.
I was 11.
I was 11 years old.
I was 21 years old.
I was 8 years old.
I remember staying at home. I remember everything being closed. We had no internet. There was no signal. I wasn't here in Egypt. However, I heard my parents talking about it, and all of the news were it covered everything.
What I remember briefly كده, news was all politics. It wasn't really a fun time for me.
A semester abroad I was in the US in the American University, and I was just returning back from the US, and then the revolution happened.
No, I wasn't really aware of what was going on because I was only 8 years old, but the only thing I noticed was my father going and coming back early in the morning after he finished the campaign.
Honestly, I can't remember anything. I was too young, and I think that the environment wasn't safe.
How do you feel about the paintings reflecting the 25th of Jan on campus?
I think they reflect the revolution. I saw them many times, but I didn't عمري ما ركزت في الديتيلز أو الناس اللي في البينتينجز عمري ما ركزت فيها بس I think they are very iconic.
I think it really resembles the revolution with all the people that was dying and so on. So I think they're good paintings that resemble how the revolution was. It does pay like a little tribute. Every time I go and see those drawings, I'm taken back to this time again and see like how much we've come since then.
They take a part of Egyptian history and they put it in AUC. I find them really amusing.
I really like them. I feel that it makes people more proud of what they did.
It gives you memories back, and I think it reflects the identity of the Egyptian culture in general, and I really appreciate the art.
Seeing those pictures from afar would always stop you for a while to reminisce over memories. Only when you get closer to start watching history being told through the art of photography. That's when you cherish this remarkable memorial of the AUC campus. Gehad, AUC TV.